Hello, and welcome to the Sundays with the Librarian workshop series. My name is Gutierrez, and this week our workshop is Beyond Google. This is a pre-recorded workshop, so while you are watching the video during the premiere, I will be available to answer questions by chat, so please feel free to ask questions. There will also be some additional time at the end for questions if you would prefer to wait. On the agenda this evening, I will be sharing some tips about how to use Google Scholar to help you identify articles more efficiently. In addition, I will be sharing some tips on using the Library Discovery Search Catalog, EBSCO databases, and Interlibrary Loan. The first tip I have for getting the most out of Google Scholar is to connect Google Scholar to the ESU libraries and archives. This will provide you access to full-text articles that are accessible through the ESU library. The first image on the screen, directly below the text, shows the icon to select access to the Google Scholar settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to select the library links on the left and then enter Emporia State University in the search box. You can also see that on the screen. You want to put a check in all the results that come up to complete the setup. Next, press the blue Save button. Now when you do a search in Google Scholar, your results will look a little different. In the example on the screen, you will see the Available at ESU link to indicate that full text access is available. Click on the Available at ESU link to access the full text. Depending on the database, you may be taken directly to the full text or possibly to another screen where you will need to click again to gain access to the full text. Another great feature in Google Scholar is alerts. Alerts allow you to receive an email when future search results for your search appear. To set up an alert, do a search in Google Scholar like normal, and on the left-hand side of the results screen, you will see an option to create an alert. You can see the example on the screen that's highlighted in yellow. The alerts box will appear after you click on the Create Alert icon. The alerts box will appear and you can see your alert query as well as the email address you want the alert sent to. The final step is to click on the red Create Alert button to save the alert. You save time by not having to search Google Scholar and instead will be notified by email when new results meet your alert query. Making use of the citation tools found in various resources will save you time in the long run. Google Scholar has a citation tool that you can access by clicking the quotation icon as seen in the example on the screen. The citation tool provides 5 different citation styles, including the popular MLA and APA. Additionally, 4 export styles are available. Using these 3 tips should help you to be more successful than ever using Google Scholar. Now we are going to transition to some ESU library resources. My first tip is to encourage you to search the ESU Library's Discovery Search Catalog. The catalog can be found online on our homepage at www.emporia.edu/library. You can see the icon on the right on the screen for the catalog. The Discovery Catalog covers a wide variety of resources available at the library, including books, ebooks, government documents, journal articles, and more. I would definitely recommend starting your search here. My next tip for the Discovery Catalog is that with so many results, it is important to use the limiters available to narrow your results. You can find the limiters on the left-hand side of the results screen, which is shown in the small image on the slide. Notice at the bottom of the limiters is a small blue link that says Show More. If you select this link, you're able to access more limiters and more specific areas of the collection. You can limit to only items in the institutional repository, more precise date limiters, including month, and also limit by branch library. Using the limiters I have shared will help make your searches more efficient. We know much of the research being done takes place in the library databases. My first tip is to search multiple EBSCO databases at the same time. You can do this by selecting the link for Choose Databases when you're in an EBSCO database such as Academic Search Complete. You can see the link highlighted on the screen now. After selecting the Choose Databases link, you will see a box that lists all of the EBSCO databases. You can now select all the relevant databases you want to search and search them all at once instead of one at a time. There are over 80 EBSCO databases. I do need to warn you that not all library databases are available on the EBSCO platform. This brings us to the My EBSCOhost feature, which is an account that lets you create folders and save search results. There are a few ways to access this feature. The first way to sign in is from the Discovery Search Catalog. Our Discovery Search Catalog runs on the EBSCO platform, so you're able to save results to your folder from the catalog. You can see the black toolbar link on the screen. The login is for the EBSCO folder sign-in. The second way to sign into the My EBSCOhost feature is through any EBSCO database. Again, you can see the blue toolbar links there on the screen. Use the link for sign in to access the My EBSCOhost account. Before you can use the My EBSCOhost account, you must create your account. You can sign in with Google via your g.emporia.edu account, or you can create an account using a different email. You can see what the login screen looks like from the screenshot that is on the screen now. Once you have created your account and logged in, you can now create folders and save your results to your specified folder. This will allow you to keep all related research in one place. You will be able to access your research from any browser as it is stored online. In addition, you can click on any of your results and gain access to full text articles, create citations, and export any needed information. Don't be afraid to create an account and try out the features I am sharing. This brings us to the last resource I want to share with you, and that is Interlibrary Loan. This is a service that the library provides where we request materials from other libraries for our students, faculty, and staff. This system is largely used for articles, but books and DVDs can also be requested in addition to book chapters. A large majority of these loans are free to students, faculty, and staff. You can see the Interlibrary Loan icon that you can find on the library homepage on the screen now. As I mentioned, the majority of requests are for journal articles. My number one tip is to always include the serial number for the journal, often referred to as the ISSN, when requesting a journal article. The ISSN is an 8-digit number with a hyphen in the middle. Be sure to add the hyphen if one is not included. If you do not know the ISSN of the journal you are requesting, you can do a quick Google search using the journal title and the letters ISSN to quickly find the result. See an example shown on the screen highlighted in yellow. My second tip for using Interlibrary Loan is if you are searching an EBSCO database and also some of the other library databases, you will find links that say something to the effect of Interlibrary Loan this item. You can see an example highlighted on the screen. When you select this link, you'll be prompted to log into our interlibrary loan system called Iliad. This system is set up to use your ESU username and password. On your first login, you will need to enter your contact information before you can complete your request. Using the interlibrary loan link found in the databases will save you a lot of time cutting and pasting the article request information, and will also increase the accuracy of your request. When using the interlibrary loan link, you still need to verify that the journal serial number is in the request. That is all my research tips for now. I hope you found one or two tips to help you up your research game.